Each of us have a story. We do. And all of our stories are different. We all have had some obstacles to overcome, from homelessness to being incarcerated, um, to being looked over, forgotten about, to be counted out, and we fought through, right? Didn't give up. We have to be able to show that it's not easy. It's not gonna be always laughs and giggles. There's gonna be some tears, sweat and tears sometimes. You're gonna get dirty, get knocked down. You got to get back up because while you're sitting down there, nobody's helping. You can be laying down there asking with your hand up in the air asking for somebody to help you up, and they just walk right over you. You get knocked down, your opponent ain't gonna help you up.
In the limelight, get your mind right. Time flies, stop